Hey there, Snapchat enthusiasts. If you're watching this in 2025 and your Snapchat filters are acting up, refusing to load or just not working at all, don't worry, I've got a step-by-step guide to get you back to those fun face swaps and crazy effects in no time. Snapchat is awesome, but like any app, it can glitch out, especially with all the updates and new features rolling in. Let's dive in and fix this together. First things first, start with the basics. Open your App Store, whether it's Google Play for Android or the App Store for iPhone, and check if Snapchat needs an update. Developers are constantly tweaking things, so running an outdated version could be the culprit. Once it's updated, launch the app and see if your filters are working. If not, move on to step 2. Next, permissions are a big deal. Snapchat needs access to your camera and storage to make filters magic happen. Go to your phone's settings, find Snapchat in the app permissions section, and make sure the camera and microphone are turned on. If they're not, flip that switch and try again. Still no luck? Let's restart the app or even your whole device. Sometimes, a simple reboot clears temporary glitches and refreshes everything. Now, if that doesn't do the trick, try clearing the app's cache. For Android users, head to Settings, Apps, Snapchat, Storage, Clear Cache. iPhone users might need to offload the app or restart it fully. This wipes out any corrupted data without deleting your snaps. If filters are still MIA, check your internet connection. Filters often rely on a stable Wi-Fi or data link, so ensure you're connected and not in a dead zone. One more advanced step. Reinstall Snapchat. Uninstall the app, then download it fresh from the store. This can resolve deeper issues, but remember to log back in afterward. And hey, if none of this works, reach out to Snapchat support. They've got resources for 2025 specific problems. There you have it. By following these steps, you should have your filters firing on all cylinders. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech fixes. Catch you in the next one.